Right. So M-Cream is actually a story about the new generation in India today, and we're very excited to be releasing the film in India on the 22nd of July. The film has a wonderful and very fresh cast, and we had a wonderful time shooting it. It's a road movie. It's also India's first stoner movie, so that's very exciting. हाँ, तो basically Himachal में गाँव है. There's a village called Malana. And M-Cream is a very famous and a very notorious drug from that village, which is very popular with the young people and the youth of India today. And so the story is about these four friends who go on this road trip in search of M-Cream. No, I'm the director of the film, writer and director. And, the cast? Right. तो इस फिल्म में कुछ नए नए एक्टर्स हैं जैसे माचा, ईरा दुबे, थिएटर के एक्टर्स और फिल्म के एक्टर्स, और कुछ लोकप्रिय एक्टर्स भी हैं जैसे टॉम ऑल्टर, बैरी जॉन जो शाहरुख खान के गुरु हैं एंड वेरी फेमस थिएटर एंड एक्टिंग कोच, और लूशन दुबे भी हैं, थिएटर एक्ट्रेस एंड thespian, and it's a very fresh cast, very dynamic cast. Basically Imad and Ira Dubey are the two leads, along with Aurithra Ghosh and Raghav Chanana. No, so this is actually a special screening for cast and crew and their friends and family. So of course we're very excited to have some very distinguished actors and people from the industry here today. So yeah, a bit excited, a bit nervous. देखेंगे. हाँ. नहीं, जैसे इमाद के मदर फादर, of course Nasiruddin Shah, Ratna Pathak Shah expected, then लोकेशन में अच्छा तो बेसिकली पहला स्केड्यूल हमने दिल्ली में शूट किया था, और उसके बाद हमने हिमाचल प्रदेश में पार्वती वैली, which is infamous for its hash growing and the lifestyle there, of course. तो हिमाचल में हमने कुल्लू मनाली में शूट किया, धर्मशाला में शूट किया, पूरे हिमाचल में एक्चुअली, और ऐसे इतने ब्यूटीफुल लोकेशंस हैं. मैं किसी से कह रहा था कि बॉलीवुड के इतने प्रोड्यूसर्स और डायरेक्टर्स हैं जो विदेश, आई मीन द फर्स्ट चॉइस इज़ एक्चुअली टू शूट अब्रॉड, जैसे स्विट्ज़रलैंड में शूट करते हैं, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में शूट करते हैं, पर एक्चुअली इंडिया में इतने ब्यूटीफुल लोकेशंस हैं विच हैव नेवर बीन कैप्चर्ड. और हमारे फिल्म में आई थिंक फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम वी हैव कैप्चर्ड सम ऑफ द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल प्लेसेस. जब आप फिल्म देखेंगे आपको यकीन नहीं होगा कि दिस इज़ एक्चुअली इंडिया. I mean, it's so beautiful and it's so it's just amazing. Right. नहीं, we're lucky also. Actually, क्या हुआ था? It's a bit interesting because this film has actually gone to many film festivals. तो ये रोड आइलैंड में प्रीमियर हुई थी, जहाँ पे इसे सर्वश्रेष्ठ चलचित्र, बेसिक द बेस्ट फीचर फिल्म अवार्ड का पुरस्कार प्राप्त हुआ. सो वी वर वेरी फॉर्चुनेट एंड ये फिल्म काफ़ी इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल्स में बहुत सराही गई है और बहुत ही acclaimed और appreciated है. We have won 10 awards. The film has been screened across US, in New York, in California, in Colorado, or Europe में भी in many locations and places such as in the UK, Ireland, France, Germany, Spain, and for the first time the film will be coming to India. So we're very excited about that. और censorship के लिए actually हमने एक वो censored version लिया था 2014 में, जब लीला सैमसन was the censor chief. So we were a bit, we were actually, we had a longer cut which we wanted to release in India, but because of the Urta Punjab controversy and many other films that have unfortunately, and I think for very ridiculous reasons, been stuck in the censors, we have decided to release the international version because we actually didn't want any controversy and we didn't want to take the risk. So जो version हमारा censor हुआ था, वही version, international version release होगी for the Indian audience. हाँ, देखिए ये बेसिकली इस फिल्म में हमने आज के युवाओं में जो वो बदलाव की मानसिकता है और चाह है, बेसिकली पूरे इंडिया में एक नया जनरेशन है और 4 विद्यार्थियों के माध्यम से हमने ये बदलाव की मानसिकता को समझने का एक छोटा सा प्रयास किया है. So basically, I think it's a very relatable film. ये urban youth के लिए film है, but I think it's a film that will resonate with all the young people of India. और I mean, even in the film festivals, इतना amazing response मिला है हमें, and all the youth who've seen it have really, I mean, it's really connected with them. So risky film है, bold film है, radical film है, but I think this is a film that can really really redefine Indian cinema, hopefully. हाँ, एक्चुअली ये slightly controversial बात है, पर बेसिकली इस फिल्म में हमने वो ड्रग्स और ड्रग्स का कल्चर को एक्सप्लोर किया है. तो रिहर्सल्स में वी वर एक्चुअली इन बैरी जॉन्स स्टूडियो रिहर्सिंग, एंड वन ऑफ द एक्टर्स हैड रिक्वेस्टेड LSD, विच इज़ वन ऑफ द ड्रग्स, क्योंकि हमारे फिल्म में एक सीक्वेंस है, एसिड ट्रिप की सीक्वेंस है. तो वन ऑफ द एक्टर्स ने रिक्वेस्ट किया था जस्ट टू एक्चुअली गेट इनटू द फ्रेम एंड द कैरेक्टर. But I think it was a bit too much. So I mean, I think I mean we figured a way around it. But I mean, hats off to the actors, because I think if you look at this film, the sex scenes and the drugs and everything, it's a very radical film. But I think it's not a sensationalist film. Just Bollywood में काफ़ी sensationalism भी है, unfortunately, and the story takes a backseat. In our case, the story is very much at the front and the center of the film.
So do we see you directing a Bollywood movie sometime?
Absolutely. जैसे मैं कह रहा था that आज के ज़माने में आई थिंक दैट जो बॉलीवुड है और इंडिपेंडेंट फिल्म है, आई थिंक द डिस्टिंक्शन बिटवीन दोज टू इज़ ब्लरिंग. आई थिंक दैट बॉलीवुड में भी बहुत ही आई थिंक radical, brave और challenging films बन रही है आजकल. And yeah, I think these lines between independent, I think the lines between independent and Bollywood are blurring. So I'm actually very excited about working in Bollywood, and I think in the future, I think Indian cinema is one of the most exciting cinemas today. Yeah, thank you so much.
This film is about a group of people or friends finding the best hash. They go to find the best hash.
Right.
So what all did you do to get the actors into that character?
Yeah.
In the trans character.
Yeah.
Get them into the trans character.
No, so I think I mean the casting was great, because I think Imad is anyway an actor who has I mean he's a history of taking very unconventional roles. He's a very brave actor, and he also belongs to a rich tradition. Both his parents are very fine actors. And yeah, so I think that this is a culture they're all familiar with. Because if you look at the youth of India today, everyone is actually experimenting with drugs like marijuana. And I mean, a lot of people are saying that this film is pro-drugs. I just want to confirm it's not a pro-drugs film. It's not an anti-drugs film. But it's a neutral stand. Because हमारी film में actually we have explored marijuana and cannabis. Just some other films have taken harder drugs, which are negative, but in our film we actually are looking at marijuana, which is actually not even a drug, it's a herb. And so from that point of view, I think that we do hope it will open a debate and a discussion on this. Yeah, thank you.
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.